Your driveway is grimy. Your deck is green. Your garden hose is simply not making a dent. Covering the 7 best pressure washers in 2026. From a Kärcher budget pick all the way to the pro-grade machine that contractors actually trust. All links are in the description. Stick around till the end. The #1 pick runs a Honda engine and a pump combination found on professional equipment, and nothing else here comes close. Starting at number 7, the Kärcher K1700, a cleaning equipment trade association certified budget electric from the world's best-selling pressure washer brand. You want something real for your car and patio without overthinking it. The K1700 delivers, plug in and go. First, Cleaning Equipment Trade Association certified 1,700 pounds per square inch true pressure. The number on the box is the number you actually get. Next, 3 nozzles included, a 15-degree general tip, a turbo tip, and a 65-degree soap nozzle for detergent. Finally, an onboard detergent tank and a foot-on-off switch. No hunting for controls mid-job. Cons: the 20-foot hose is short. Gallons per minute is only 1.2, so large areas take time. Not built for heavy concrete. Best for homeowners cleaning cars, patios, decks, and fencing. Not for anyone needing serious cleaning power. At $109.98, the K1700 is the most approachable budget washer here. Want it simple? This is it. At number 6, the Greenworks GPW2003, the best open-frame step-up electric for homeowners wanting portability. You need more than a basic rinser, but bulky cart-style units are a pain to store. The GPW2003 solves that. First, 2,000 pounds per square inch from a 14-ampere motor with push-button start. Enough to clean patios, decks, and siding. Next, start-stop technology cuts the motor the instant you release, saves energy, and extends pump life. Finally, a 25-foot hose and 35-foot ground fault circuit interrupter cord. More reach than most budget units, less repositioning. Cons: 1.2 gallons per minute is low, so large areas take longer. Wand holder draws complaints, plastic fittings throughout. Best for homeowners cleaning driveways, patios, and vehicles. Not for heavy concrete or large properties. At $199.99, the GPW2003 is a solid open frame upgrade. Simple, capable, no fuss, this delivers. Coming in at number 5, the Sun Joe SPX3000, the most trusted budget electric and the machine most first-time homeowners buy. You want something that will genuinely clean your patio, deck, and car, not just rinse them off. The SPX3000 delivers that. First, Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association certified 2,030 pounds per square inch at 1.76 gallons per minute. Real, verified numbers that clean patios, decks, fences, siding, and cars. Next, dual onboard detergent tanks with a selector dial. Switch between 2 solutions mid-job without stopping. Finally, a total stop system cuts the motor the instant the trigger releases, extends pump life. Cons: plastic build develops small leaks with age. The hose is only 20 feet, no turbo nozzle. Best for first-time homeowners cleaning patios, decks, fences, and cars. Not for heavy concrete or large properties. At $143.65, the SPX3000 is proven, versatile, and trusted. First real pressure washer? This is it. At number 4, the Westinghouse WPX3500, the best compact mid-range electric for homeowners wanting real portability. Every electric washer tips the moment you pull the hose, and you spend more time repositioning than cleaning. Westinghouse built the EPX3500 to fix exactly that. First, anti-tipping four-wheel steering and a low center of gravity. Follows you from driveway to grass. Next, 2,500 max pounds per square inch in a 19-pound frame. Compact, full-featured, fits on a shelf. Finally, a pro-style steel wand with 5 quick-connect nozzles, including a turbo tip. Real power, tiny package. Cons: actual PSI runs below the max rating. Soap dispenser draws mixed feedback. The hose can kink. Best for small yard homeowners, urban users with tight storage, anyone fed up with tip-overs. Not for large driveways. At $169, the EPX3500 is the most thoughtfully built compact electric here. Tip-overs? Solved. At number 3, the Westinghouse WPX3400. The best all-around gas pressure washer for homeowners needing raw, sustained power. Neglected driveway, grime on the siding, deck going gray. Every electric has left streaks and taken too long. The WPX 340 pounds per square inch at 2.6 gallons per minute. Higher volume lifts grime faster per pass than any electric here. Next, an onboard half-gallon soap tank. Rare on gas washers. Apply detergent without a siphon or attachment swap. Finally, never flat 12-inch wheels on a welded steel frame. Cons: gas requires oil, winterization, and off-season storage. Louder than every electric here. Weighs 63 pounds. Best for large property homeowners with driveways and serious seasonal cleaning. Not for condo owners or plug-and-go users. At $299.99, the WPX 3400 delivers the best balance of gas power and convenience. Big jobs? This handles them. Quick reminder, if this is helping you decide, hit that like button and subscribe. All product links are in the description below. Now, let's get to the top 2 picks. At number 2, the Greenworks GPW1501, a 1,500 pounds per square inch compact electric that earns its place near the top by being genuinely different. Most homeowners buying their second pressure washer don't need gas. They need something light, honest, and simple. The GPW1501 is exactly that. First, Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association certified 1,500 pounds per square inch. Verified, honest pressure with no inflated max ratings anywhere on the box. Next, upright hand carry design at 15 pounds. No cart, no wheels, no setup. Pick it up, use it, put it away. Finally, a 35-foot ground fault circuit interrupter cord and 20-foot hose give you real reach for most residential cleaning tasks. Cons: heavy driveway stains won't budge at this pressure. Not built for heavy weekly use or large concrete jobs. Best for renters, apartment dwellers, anyone wanting a lightweight second washer for cars and light patios. Not for driveways. At $424.99, the GPW1501 is the best value per pound on this entire list. Light, reliable, honest? This is it. Now, the number 1 pick. This machine runs a Honda engine and a professional-grade triplex pump. Here it is. The number 1 best pressure washer in 2026 is the Simpson PS3228 PowerShot, the most durable machine here, built to professional contractor specification. You've already replaced 2 pressure washers. You want the last one you'll ever buy. This is it. First, the Honda GX200 engine with low oil shutdown, the gold standard for small engine reliability. Starts easily, lasts a decade. Next, a AAA industrial triplex pump, not the axial cam pump every other gas washer uses. Triplex pumps hold pressure more consistently. Finally, a welded steel frame with a Morflex non-marring polyurethane hose, built for contractors, not one-season homeowners. Cons: the most expensive machine here. No onboard soap tank, siphon hose only. Weighs 77 pounds. Requires gas and oil. Best for serious homeowners, DIYers, and prosumers buying once and never replacing. Not for budget buyers or plug-and-play seekers. At $629, the PS3228 PowerShot is built to last 10+ years of real use. Want the absolute best? This is it. And there you have it, the 7 best pressure washers of 2026. Drop a comment below and let me know which one fits your situation best. All the links are down in the description. If this video helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.